Karaoke King.
Nice.
How we doing, Brian? Good to see you tonight.
Other than my back being sore, alright.
All right, well, let's give it up for our singer. This is Brian, the Karaoke King. Here we go.
Now I've been happy lately, thinking about the good things to come, and I believe it could be something good has begun. And I've been smiling lately, dreaming about the world as one, and I believe it could be someday it's gonna come. 'Cause out on the edge of darkness, there rides the peace train. Oh, peace train, take this country, come take me home again. Now I've been smiling lately, thinking about the good things to come, and I believe it could be something good has begun. Oh, peace train sounding louder, ride on the peace train. Ooh, come on the peace train. The peace train, the holy roller, everyone up on the peace train. Ooh, come on the peace train. Get your heads together, go bring all your good friends too, because it's getting nearer, it soon will be with you. Oh, come on to join the living, it's not so far from you. And it's getting nearer, soon it will all be true. Oh, peace train sounding louder, ride on the peace train. Ooh, come on now, peace train. Oh, peace train. Ooh, now I've been crying lately, thinking about the world as it is. Why must we go wanting to? Why can't we live in bliss? 'Cause out on the edge of darkness, there rides the peace train. Oh, peace train, take this country, come take me home again. Oh, peace train sounding louder, ride on the peace train. Ooh, come on the peace train. Yes, peace train, the holy roller, everyone up on the peace train. Ooh,